Hello everyone, I'm Dimple Anand and you are welcome on stitchingmall.com. Today I share the right way of placing your fabric while cutting so you don't end up wasting your fabric while the design pattern is running in one direction. There are two methods. When the fabric is enough and you can fold it and cut front. These methods are for making the simple dresses. Now you can either draft or keep your pattern and cut it, but when it is fabric pattern and cut it, but when it is fabric is lesser than the width, then there is another method that you can apply. See, the design pattern is different. One is going up and another side it is going down when I fold it from the middle. So take the required length of the fabric, fold it, cut it from the middle. Now if you want 40-inch total length, you will be needing 80-inch in fold. So you can, while you cut, you have 40-inch both sides, each side in fact. See, here we turn the fabric and place it in such a manner so that the design pattern of our dress is towards one direction only, that is upwards. And now you can fold the fabric while you are making a simple dress where the front and back you will be cutting together. Now you can directly mark on the fabric as I show you, or use a paper pattern, or use your already cut design, and here on the sides also you have fabric, so you can increase the seam or the size of the dress. These are two simple methods which you can use while the design pattern is going in one direction. Stay subscribed and do let me know how did you like these methods and which of these you generally adopt. Take care. Goodbye.